you're looking for high-strength torsion testing machine, there are professional manufacturer of it. This machine is suitable for torsion tensile mechanical test of high-strength bolts and hexagonal like torsion. Ongoing axial focus of bolts and not tightening. This machine adopts platform structure as a high rigidity to ensure the test accuracy.
Connect the data transmission line, as well as the data lines corresponding to torque, axial force, and motor, and connect the power line. Plug in the power supply and connect the torque sensor. Turn on the main power switch, power indicator light will be on. Turn the emergency stop button switch and press the power key. Install the sample on the sample fixture and place it onto fixing fixture. After the sample is fixed at the front end, turn and tighten the rear end and fix it with a nut. The front end is also fixed with a nut. Install the sensor and the torque fixture in matching SIS. Connect the fixture to the sample end. Open the PC software and set the sample size and test parameters. Start the test. The test ends until the thread fails. Remove the failed sample. Check the final test report, export the data, and print it.